Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. Our topic today, solving linear equation into variable. So as example, here we have two linear equation. The first equation, x plus y equal 2. So we have two different variables here which are x and y. And then we have another linear equation, 2x plus 3y equal negative 4. So we have another two different variables here which are x and y. So how to solve this linear equation? So we can apply simultaneous equation. There are two methods under simultaneous equation. Either we use substitution method or we use elimination method. Bagaimana nak selesaikan persamaan linear dengan dua pemboleh ubah? Contoh kat sini kita ada dua persamaan linear dengan dua pemboleh ubah iaitu x dan y. Kita boleh guna persamaan serentak. Ada dua cara dalam persamaan serentak iaitu cara penggantian ataupun cara penghapusan. Okay, let's discuss example 1. Here we have 4x plus 2y equal 8 and x plus 4y equal negative 3. Let's name the first equation as equation 1 and the second equation as equation 2. So, to solve this linear equation, we can apply simultaneous equation. Either we use elimination method or we use substitution method. We will discuss both methods in this example. Okay, let's start with substitution method. Step 1. Choose one of the equation. Okay, pilih salah satu persamaan. Okay, in this case, I choose equation 2. So, from equation 2, put x on the left hand side and move 4y to the right hand side. So, x equal negative 3 minus 4y. Untuk langkah pertama, pilih salah satu persamaan. Okay, untuk kita letakkan sama ada x ataupun y sahaja di sebelah kiri. So, untuk contoh ni, saya ambil persamaan yang kedua kerana kita memang sudah ada x. Jadi, lebih mudah. Yang lain, pindahkan ke sebelah kanan. Step 2. Okay. Now we will substitute into the other equation. Okay. As for step 1, I choose equation 2. Then for step 2, choose equation 1. So the original equation 1 is 4x plus 2y equal 8. Now we will substitute x by negative 3 minus 4y. And then expand. 4 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 12. 4 multiplied by negative 4y, we get negative 16y. Okay, the rest just follow. Plus 2y equal 8. Simplify. Negative 16y plus 2. Okay, you can use your calculator. Negative 16 plus 2, we get negative 14. So, negative 14y equal. Then, on the right hand side, we have 8. On the left hand side, negative 12. Move negative 12 to the other side, it became plus 12. 8 plus 12 equal 20. And finally, left y on the left hand side and bring negative 14 to the other side. 20 over negative 14. So negative 10 over 7. We already got the value for y. As for step 3, okay, now we will take the answer from step 2 and substitute into the equation from step 1. Okay, so from step 1, here we have x equal negative 3 minus 4y. Okay, instead of y, substitute with negative 10 over 7. Use your calculator. Negative 3 plus 40 over 7 equal 19 over 7. And then proceed to step 4. Check. Okay. Now we know that y equal negative 10 over 7 and x equal 19 over 7. Finally, to check, substitute into the original equation. So here we have x plus 4y. So x is 19 over 7 plus 4 and y is negative 10 over 7 equal, and the answer is negative 3. And for the other equation, 4 multiplied by x, our x is 19 over 7 plus 2y. Okay, our y is negative 10 over 7 equal. The answer is 8. So both are correct. Okay, now from the same question, we will solve by using the second method, which is elimination method. As for step 1, choose the variable that we want to eliminate. Okay, kita akan pilih pemboleh ubah yang kita nak hapuskan. Sama ada hapuskan x atau hapuskan y. So, let's choose to eliminate x. Okay, syaratnya x mesti mempunyai perkali yang sama. Okay, the variable that we choose to eliminate must have the same coefficient. Okay, the first equation, the coefficient for x is 4. Persamaan yang pertama, perkali untuk x adalah 4. Okay, the second equation, the coefficient for x is 1. Persamaan kedua, perkali untuk x adalah 1, which is not the same, tak sama. Macam mana kita nak samakan? We can multiply the second equation by 4. So, 4 multiplied by the second equation, we get 4x plus 16y equal negative 12. And then rewrite the equation. Okay, now let's start to eliminate x. 4x minus for x is 0. So since now x have the same coefficient, we can eliminate x. Proceed to y minus 16y. 2 minus 16 equal negative 14. So negative 14y equal 8 minus negative 12. 8 minus negative 12 equal 20. So y equal 20 over negative 14. 20 over negative 14 is also equal to negative 10 over 7. And then substitute. Okay, now that we know the value for y, substitute y into one of the equation. You can substitute y into the first equation, or you can substitute y into the second equation. Okay, let's choose the second equation. X plus 4. Okay, substitute y by negative 10 over 7 equal negative 3. So multiply 4 by negative 10 over 7, we get negative 40 over 7 equal negative 3. Bring negative to the other side, it becomes positive. Okay, here you can use your calculator. Negative 3 plus 40 over 7 will equal to 19 over 7. So, while using the substitution method, we get y equal negative 10 over 7. And by using elimination method, we also get y equal negative 10 over 7. As for x, we get x equal 19 over 7. And by using elimination method, x also equal to 19 over 7. Let's discuss this example. Here we have two different linear equations. Okay, the first one is 2x plus 2y equal 3. Let's name this as equation 1. And then x minus 4y equal negative 1. Let's name this as equation 2. So in order to solve this linear equation with two variables, we can apply simultaneous equation. There are two methods in simultaneous equation. Either we use substitution method or elimination method. For this example, we will discuss both methods. Okay, let's start with substitution method. Step 1, choose one of the equation. Okay, I choose the second equation. Okay, leave either x or y on the left. Okay, it's easier to choose the second equation because here we already have x. So leave x on the left and bring negative 4y to the right. Negative 1 plus 4y. Step 2. Okay, substitute the equation from step 1 into the other equation. Since step 1 we choose equation 2, now we will substitute into equation 1. So the original equation is 2x plus 2y equal 3. So instead of x, substitute by negative 1 plus 4y. Okay, the rest just follow. Plus 2y equal 3. Okay, expand. 2 multiply negative 1, negative 2. 2 multiply 4y plus 8y. Okay, plus 2y equal 3. So, kalau tadi equation kita ada dua variable, x dan y. Selepas step 1 dan step 2, equation kita tinggal satu variable saja. Jadi di sini kita dah boleh selesaikan dan cari nilai y. Okay, 8y plus 2y is 10y equal. Bring negative 2 to the other side, jadi plus. So 10y equal 6. Y equal 6 over 10, or y equal 3 over 5. Okay, sorry, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 5 over 10, so simplify 5 over 10, y equal 1 over 2. Okay, proceed to step number 3. Okay, for step number 3, we will take the answer from step number 2 and substitute into the equation from step number 1. So now we will substitute y. Okay, x equal negative 1 plus 4y. So x equal negative 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay, 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 equal 1. So from the third step, we get the values for x. And finally, step 4, we have to check. Okay, x equal 1 and y equal 1 over 2. Substitute into the original equation. Okay, let's start with the first equation. 2. Okay, we get x equal 1, so multiply by 1, plus 2. We get y 1 over 2. Okay, multiply by 1 over 2 equal 3. Okay, which is correct. And then substitute into the second equation. So x, we get x is 1 minus 4y. Okay, y is 1 over 2 equal. Okay, we get negative 1. So our answer is correct, where y equal 1 over 2 and x equal 1. So from the same question, now we want to solve by using the second method, which is elimination method. Okay, step 1 in elimination method is to choose the variable that we want to eliminate. Kita pilih pemboleh ubah yang kita nak hapuskan. Okay, either we choose to eliminate x or we choose to eliminate y. Okay, it's totally up to you, depending on the equation. So let's say we want to eliminate x. So eliminate x. So syaratnya, okay, x must have the same coefficient. X mesti ada perkali yang sama. Okay, di sini 2x. Tapi di sini cuma ada 1x. Kita perlu samakan, okay, the coefficient for x. Macam mana nak samakan? Persamaan yang kedua ni boleh darab dengan 2. So first equation minus the second equation but multiply by 2. So 2x plus 2y equal 3 minus, okay, the second equation multiply by 2. 2 multiply by x is 2x minus 2 multiply by 4y 8y. 2 multiply negative 1 negative 2. Okay, sekarang x dah ada koefisien yang sama. 2x minus 2x is 0. Kerana since x have the same coefficient, now we can eliminate x. And then 2y minus negative 8y. 2 minus negative 8 equal 10. 10y equal 3 minus negative 2. 3 minus negative 2 equal 5. Y equal 5 over 10, so y equal 1 over 2. Okay, from the first step, we already got the value for y because we eliminate x. So second step, okay, substitute y into one of the equation. Okay, let's say we choose the second equation. So x minus 4, substitute y by 1 over 2 equal negative 1. Okay. 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 equal 2 equal negative 1. Bring negative 2 to the other side, plus 2, so x equal 1. Okay, and then step 3, check. Okay. When we use substitution method, we get y equal 1 over 2 and x equal 1. When we use elimination method, we still get y equal 1 over 2 and x equal 1. Okay, this example, we have 3x plus 2y equal negative 4. Let's name this as equation 1. And 4x minus 2y equal negative 10. Let's name this as equation 2. Okay, we can solve this linear equation with two variables by using simultaneous equation. Either we apply substitution method or elimination method. For this example, we will discuss both methods. Okay, let's start with elimination method. Okay, for elimination method, step 1, choose one variable that we want to eliminate. Okay, let's look at these two equations. The coefficient for x is different. Here we have 3x and here we have 4x. But the coefficient for y is the same. Here we have 2y and here also we have 2y. So as for step 1, it's easier if we choose to eliminate y because y already have the same coefficient. So we choose to eliminate y. Okay. 3x plus 2y equal negative 4. 4x minus 2y equal negative 10. So now, we need to decide either to put the plus sign or the minus sign here. Okay, let's see. If we put minus sign. Okay, minus sign. 3 minus 4x is negative 1. Okay. And then 2 minus negative 2 equal 4. So, in conclusion, we cannot put negative because x will become negative 1 and 2 will become 4. So, we fail to eliminate either x or y. Instead, put plus sign. Okay, let's try again with a plus sign. 3x plus 4x. Okay, 3 plus 4, we get 7x. As for y, 2y, 2 plus negative 2, we get 0. So, we can eliminate y equal negative 4 plus negative 10, negative 14. And finally, x equal negative 14 over 7. Negative 14 over 7 is equal to negative 2. Okay, done with step 1 where we eliminate y. Step number 2. Okay, since we have value of x from step 1, now we can find value for y by substitute x equal negative 2 into one of these equation. Okay, we can choose either one and we can still get the same answer. Let's say we choose the first equation. So 3x, okay, substitute x by negative 2 plus 2y equal negative 4. 3 multiply negative 2 is negative 6 plus 2y equal negative 4. Okay, bring negative 6 to the other side, plus 6. Negative 4 plus 6, 2. 2 divide by 2, so y equal 1. And, here, okay, we substitute. Okay, and for the last step, step 3, we check. Okay, substitute y equal 1 and x equal negative 2 into the original equation. Okay, let's see. 3 multiplied by negative 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 equal negative 4. Okay, which is correct. And then try the second equation. 4 multiplied by negative 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 equal negative 10. Okay, which is also correct. Okay, from the same question, now we want to apply the second method, which is substitution method. Okay, as for substitution method, step 1, choose one of the equation. Okay, and we will leave either x or y on the left hand side. Okay, we can choose equation 1 or equation 2, doesn't matter. Let's say we want to choose equation 1. So from equation 1, 3x plus 2y equal negative 4. Okay, choose either you want to left x or y on the left hand side. Let's say we want to choose x. So leave 3x and bring the y to the other side. Okay, then x equal negative 4 minus 2y over 3. Second step, we will substitute into the other equation. Step 1, we choose equation 1. So step 2, we must substitute into the second equation. So second equation for x minus 2y equal negative 10. 4x minus 2y equal negative 10. Okay, 4 over 3, kita boleh keluarkan dulu. We can factorize that. Okay, 4 over 3 multiplied by negative 4. Negative 16 over 3. 4 over 3 multiplied by negative 2y. Negative 8 over 3y. Okay, minus 2y equal negative 10. Okay, now we want to separate all y on the left and things without y on the right. Okay, use your calculator. 8 over 3 negative 8 over 3 minus 2 equal negative 14 over 3. So negative 14 over 3y equal negative 10 plus 16 over 3. So the answer is negative 14 over 3. Negative 14 over 3 divided by negative 14 over 3, we get y equal 1, which is the same as when we use the elimination method. Okay, we still get y equal 1. Step 3, substitute to get value of x. So we substitute y to get x. Substitute into the equation from the first step. So negative 4 minus 2y, okay, substitute y by 1 over 3 equal negative 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. The answer is negative 2. So we get x equal negative 2, which is the same answer as when we use the elimination method.